Hello friends, welcome to Shakti Enterprises. Today I have this compressor. This compressor is for one of the very popular car made by Hyundai. This compressor is for I20 petrol variant. You can see this compressor from all the angles. First I will show you the fitting. So you can see the fitting. So there are basically 4 bolts. You are going to place 4 bolts in these different places, and these are inlet and outlets. This one is the coupler. Now you can see this from the other side. All right. And here you can see the branding for the Duon, which is the genuine. You will find the same logo on your genuine compressor, and it's the same. From here as well you can see the branding for Duon, and here you can see the climate control valve. So if you would like to buy this, what you have to do is you can simply call us, or you can click on the link given in the description of the YouTube, and from there you can start a chat with us. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any queries, you can call us. Apart from this compressor, we also sell fan assemblies and radiators. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.